Let me share with you a set of 10 work lights by 8 feet that were sent to me for evaluation purposes, but of course, this is my own opinion, hands-on installation, and everything else about those amazing lights. So, in the set, you're gonna find 10 lights that you can easily use in order to connect to a power source and have that source of light in your garage, in your business, or eventually in a storage. And the connectivity and possibilities are endless because you're going to be able to easily set them up horizontal, vertical, in shape, under the ceiling, or on the wall. With 5000 K light that you can easily use in order to bring that source of light and brightness to the work environment. And of course, the connectivity is super easy because in the set you're going to find all the wiring that you need in order to perform that connection. Besides that, you're going to have all the hooks and eventually strings that you can easily use in order to hang them from the ceiling and down. In my case scenario right here, I installed them on the wall. But a brief example about the connectivity, because literally you just need electricity and binding it with those lights in order to make them work. And right now, just turn it on and you have a source of light. And if you want to extend, then eventually in the set, you have all the extenders that you need in order to do so. In one line, actually, you may easily connect only 3 pieces for the safety issue. So basically binding 2 together now was super easy. And then if I want to add the third line, I'm going to be able to easily do so by adding another wire to it. And then eventually connecting the third light to bring that source of light and eventually an enormous amount of light to my work environment. If you want to connect it straight to the power source, then eventually we have some loose wiring with the connection to the light for you to easily perform that connection. So in the set, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 with a switch. So just in case you want to set them up separately, you're going to be able to easily do so in order to turn it on or eventually shut it down when necessary. As for the simplicity, mobility, and eventually efficiency of work, those are absolutely outstanding. We have 10 pieces by 8, but you're going to be able to easily choose those that come in the variety of 4 feet, which eventually is more convenient for smaller areas for you to easily set them up. And of course, if you need lights for your business in order to attract the eye of a customer when passing by because you have beautiful bright light on your business window or inside, then you should definitely have to consider 10 work lights by 8 feet or by 4 feet, because those are definitely a recommendation from me.